SQA Higher Maths Recurrence Relations topic. We are going to look at some harder recurrence relations in lesson 5 today. So similar to what we have been doing, but just a little bit more of a problem solving aspect to it, just a little bit different from a sort of normal bog standard question, I suppose. So Mike invests £1,500 in a bank account. He earns interest every month of 0.4%. And at the end of each year, he deposits £400 in his account. So we've got different time frames there. We've got months and years that are being mentioned. Part A, write a recurrence relation to model this situation. Well, every month he gets 0.4% interest. So here we have 0.4%, so that'd be 0.004 as a decimal. So if we're just looking over a whole year, he's going to get that 0.4% after the first month. Then in the second month, he's going to get 0.4% on that new amount. Then on the third month, 0.4% of the amount after month 2, etc. So we can go for 1.004. Again, that's the 0.4% increase to the power 12. And that'll be a whole year, because we're just multiplying by 1.004 12 times to get that yearly interest. And then at the end of the year, he pays in £400 as well. So part B, use this to find the balance at the beginning of his 5th year of investment. So we know U0 is £1,500 because he invests £1,500 in his bank account. We can use the recurrence relation to find out how much he'll have at the end of, the start of year 1. So at the start of U0, he has £1,500. At the start of year 1, he has £1,973.61 just by substituting in. So as I was saying, U1 is £1,973.61. So that is how much the person has after 1 year. After 2 years, he will have, or she will have, £2,470.45p. That will be he, it's Mike. So find out U3, and we could also find out U4, which is £3,538.48. So after 4 whole years, Mike has that much money. So at the beginning of the 5th year, which is literally 1 second after the end of the 4th year, he would still have that amount of money. You'd have to wait another month for the next 0.4% to go on. You'd have to wait another year for the next £400 to be added on. So the end of the 4th year is essentially just exactly the same as the very, very start of the 5th year, or the beginning of his 5th year of investment. So there's a little bit of thinking to be done there. We could aimlessly just find out what U5 is, but we're actually, if we interpret the question correctly, we're just trying to find out what U4 is. Okay, have a go at questions. Where are they? Oh, I haven't got the questions. Have a go at exercise 5L, questions 1 to 6.